Hello and welcome to this video. My name's David Thorne and you're watching David's Videos. In this video tutorial, we're going to be talking about how to use CSS class selectors. If you're not aware what CSS selectors are, then I've got an introduction video to tell you all about them and how they work. The link is just here right now. Otherwise, this is a follow-up from a previous video that talks about how to use the ID selector. The class selector is much like the ID selector, but this uses the HTML tags class rather than the ID. So let's move over to Visual Studio Code to see how it works. Like I said previously, using a class name is exactly the same as using an ID, although this time we prefix it with a dot or a point, whatever you want to call it. So let's remove the hashtag and this time we'll add a dot. This means that the HTML tag has the class attribute and one of the classes inside of it is heading. This rule set will be applied to all elements with the class of heading. As you can see, it's nice and simple. Just prefix your class name with a dot and then define the rule set that you want to be applied to all of those elements. Before we end this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and tap that bell icon to get notified when I release new videos. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and I definitely hope that you've learned something. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks then, bye.